Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check iOS version and free storage, then sign into your Apple ID so you can install utilities. Once done, understand why. iPhone does not natively run Google Play apps, so you'll use cloud or remote solutions. Next, install a compatible browser and a remote app store wrapper if available, or prepare a third-party streaming or virtualization service. Make sure backups are current before proceeding to middle steps. Now you execute the detailed middle steps. Create a cloud Android VM or subscribe to an Android app streaming service because that hosts Google Play remotely. Then install the provider's iOS app or use a web app via Safari and sign into Google Play inside that environment. Once authenticated, download or stream apps to the virtual Android. Make sure you map touch controls, check latency, and allow permissions so apps behave correctly on your iPhone. Finally, finish by verifying Google Play functions inside the remote Android. Download an app, grant permissions, and pin the service to your home screen for quick access. Once done, optimize settings for battery and data. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Restart the remote session and re-log in to Google Play. This clears many auth and caching problems. If persistent, check provider status, test network quality, and consider switching streaming regions or providers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.